If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. GPS navigation will guide you to your destination. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats make cold weather driving more endurable, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.